Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to make a prototype simulation model of automatic street light in Proteus. So first of all I'll tell you something about this LDR, which is light dependent resistor, how it works and what are its properties. Then we'll proceed with the working process. So LDR is a component whose resistance vary as the light intensity falling upon it varies. So here we can see one graph. So as during the daylight, when the sunlight is there, its resistance is very less, that is 5000 ohm. And during the dark time, its resistance can increase up to 20 lakh ohm. So if we'll plot a graph between this, the resistance and light intensity, will get a curve like this, decreasing curve. So now we'll move on to the working process. So this is the overall circuit. So this is LDR. On one side we'll give supply, on the other side we'll connect a ground through the resistor. This is the torch which will act as a light, source of light. This is op amp, and this is LED. You can choose any LED of any color. So here we'll connect a resistor so that the current in the LED doesn't get high. So what we need to do, we'll provide biasing supply to the op amp, and the positive of this op amp should be connected to reference signal. Here we have connected one pot with supply on one side and with ground on the other side, and the negative terminal is connected to the LDR. So when the light is not there, so its resistance is very high, and as the resistance is high, so there is no supply on this side, the negative terminal, and there is supply only on the positive terminal. So as the output of an op amp is V positive minus V negative, and V negative is almost equal to 0, so V positive will give a output V naught, and this LED will glow. That means during the night time this LED will automatically glow. Now during the daytime, when sunlight is there, due to this the resistance of this will decrease, as I have already explained you. So this supply will come here, and there will be supply on the negative terminal also. So this difference decreases and the output also decreases. So this output is not that much that it can glow the LED. So the LED will not glow, and it will automatically turn off during the daytime. So this is how the overall circuit will work. Now we will proceed to the simulation part. Now I have opened one untitled page of Proteus. First of all, we'll add the elements which we require. So click on this P. First of all, I'll add LED. I'll add this green LED. Now second, I'll add op amp. So the model number for this op amp is LM358. So you need to search using this one only. Click on OK. The third thing we require is potentiometer. So we'll type pot-hg. We'll add this. Next we require is resistor. So we'll just type res. And at last we require one torch. Now we have added all the things. Now we'll make the connections. So now we'll add one power source here, here also, and one here. Now I'll add ground at this point, this point, this point, and this point. Now I'll connect everything. Now I'll connect this positive terminal to the variable of this pot, power source to one side of the pot and ground to the other side. LED cathode to resistor and resistor to ground. LED anode to the output of op-amp, and this one biasing to power and the other biasing supply to ground, and the negative to the center of this point. This is the overall circuit, and we'll connect this also. Now I'll keep the resistor value to 1k as 10k is very high. Now I'll simulate this. So for simulation we need to click on this button. So now I'll click here. And now the simulation has started, and you can see that this LED is glowing. And when I'll move this closer, so this is the case of darkness, as light is not there on the LDR. So the resistance is high and this positive terminal is high, and so the output is high, and that's why the LED is glowing. Now I'll move this closer. You can see as the light is increasing on the LDR, so this path starts conducting, and the difference between positive and negative terminal supply is almost negligible, and the output is 0, so the LED is off. Here you can see that you were unable to see the color of the LED. So the reason behind this is that I have kept a high resistance here. So now I'll decrease the resistance value. I'll keep it to 100 ohms. So for 100 ohms we need to write 100 R. I'll keep it here, and now I'll simulate this again. Now you can easily see the color of this LED, and when I'll move it closer, then it will turn off. So this is how this all total circuit will work. So please like, subscribe and share for future updates.